We'll call this a short, sweet, beautiful video. Alright, so right in there, take note there's liquid. We have what is now a water-based cleaning solution. And there's our fuel shutoff valve. It is in the on position. So bear with me while I go grab a wrench real quick. Remove your fuel line clamp or clamps. Break free the rubber rust. Okay. I'm gonna remove the line with 2 hands. Once you remove your line, you then need to back off this fuel petcock. And in doing so, you're going to expose what a lot of people do not know is inside of here. Whether this is just a black line or has a fuel petcock, you're going to notice there's an inline tank screen. That screen and ethanol do not mesh well. The ethanol gels up, clogs the screen, and right now if I would turn the flow of this on, it either is nothing or very slow, and that's why it's not able to flow properly out of the fuel cell. So there's an inline tank screen. It's that little fine mesh micron screen, and that has a tendency to get clogged or gelled up inside that tank. So I've seen people cut and put fuel filters in between the fuel line, and I generally express to them this is already filtered with a filtration system within the tank. That can become damaged, dirty, clogged to the point where it will no longer allow fuel to flow out of that 1/4 inch nipple there. So if you want your machine to run, or if it does run for about 30 seconds to a minute, then it seems to want to surge or die. Then it'll restart in about another minute or so. That generally indicates that there's a partially clogged screen or something in this run that's not allowing fuel to flow properly within the carburation system. Alrighty guys, that's a quick one. That's actually one of the most valuable pieces of knowledge I know when it comes to some of the fuel related problems we deal with. Alright, be blessed. Peace.